Hi children, welcome to English class. Today let's see poem that is Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening by Robert Frost. Let's learn who is Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost, 1874-1963, was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. Let's learn poem line by line. Stopping by woods on a snowing evening. Here we can see three elements of nature: woods, snow, evening. Now let's see the poem. Whose woods these are? I think I know. Woods means here forest. Robert is saying, I know who's this forest. The answer is houses in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. I think his houses may be in village near to forest. So like that he was saying and stopped, and he stayed in the forest. My little horse must think it queer. Queer means strange. Maybe my horse is thinking, horse is saying, here is not there, nothing is there, house is also not there. But why the Robert is stopped here? To stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake. The darkest evening of the year. Frozen means here full of, lake means water. And why he stopped in the forest and full of water and snow and full of dark, nobody is here, and why he stopped here, like that the horse is thinking. He gives his harness bells a shake. So Robert is holding the horse and tightening and make to stop. To ask if there is some mistake, the only other sounds of the sweep. Sweep means you're clean, but in the poem is flowing of easy wind and downy flake. Downy means fluffy cotton like snow. So full of snow is falling, like pieces of snow is falling down. Why Robert was stopped here and feeling very cold, and nobody is there, full of trees and plants full of snow. Why he stopped here? The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. Your promise means I have to leave the place. Here it is beautiful place, and it's nice to see the place full of snow from the forest. But I don't want to leave this place. I want to stay here only. It is very beautiful, like that he's saying. But I want to leave the place here. And miles to go before I sleep. I want to go to my house, and miles to go before I sleep. I want to reach my house, and I want to take a rest. Now let's read the poem. Stopping by woods on a snowing evening. Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think I queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The poem is written by Robert Frost. Thank you, children.